Grow your own healthy fruits and vegetables no matter where you live or what your budget might be. We all know that adding more fresh produce to our diets is one simple change that makes a big difference. It's estimated that 2.7 million lives would be saved each year worldwide if everyone increased their fruits and vegetables to the proper level. But buying the best fresh local fruits and vegetables is really expensive. And when we buy cheaper produce, we know lots of fossil fuel and chemicals were used to grow and transport that food to the local store. Isn't there a way that we can save the environment, save our budgets, and eat really healthy produce? Agricultural scientists have recently been experimenting with the idea of permanent agriculture, or permaculture. The principles of permaculture help create sustainable food growth that provides food season after season. There is evidence that it actually improves the soil and the environment. This example is a 2,000-year-old food forest found in Morocco. There are old and new examples of food forests growing in places all over the world. But can the principles of permaculture help the 54% of the world's population that live in urban settings? Can we help save the world from a balcony? This guy, Joel Salatin, is a permaculture superhero. He promotes the idea of nook and cranny gardening to feed ourselves and our cities. In our communities, we can use medians and even sidewalk borders. We have to maintain these areas anyway. Why not grow food? On our balconies, we don't have to spend a lot of money. We can upcycle anything to grow food, even the kitchen sink. You can turn anything into a pot for growing food. Now, when it comes time to feed our plants, don't turn to expensive modern fertilizers that were made in a factory, transported by a truck, and only work in the soil for about 6 weeks. Instead, let's take a permaculture lesson for ancient redwoods. Scientists have learned that there's a special relationship between the roots of the plants and the bacteria in the soil. They work together to literally pull nutrition out of the air. It is called nitrogen fixing. We have learned that as long as we maintain a healthy environment for these good bacteria, the soil will keep feeding us season after season, just as it did the redwoods, without any human help. To kickstart this process, go to your local coffee shop. They'll give you their spent coffee grounds for free, and it makes a wonderful nutritious mulch to prepare your soil. You'll need a lot less water for the season as well. And don't forget about the worms. By recycling an old bin, you can make a worm compost that will keep your kitchen scraps out of the landfill and turn them into a wonderful nutrition for your soil and its bacteria. Worm castings cost around $20 a bag at your local garden store, but you can make your own for free. And when you visit your local grocery store or clean out your fridge, look for that produce that is spoiling and about to be thrown out. You can use this from many fruit to save the seeds for next year's growth. You can be a permaculture superhero too and make the world a better place while enjoying the health benefits of eating well. Happy gardening!